So today, I can't make up my mind what project to do first, but I think I'm gonna deal with this bed over here. I gotta empty this bed and move a plant, get rid of a plant. Yeah, show y'all that right now. Okay, so as you can see, this bed is just in the wrong place. And the storm woke me up to that. So I'm gonna disassemble it from here. And we're gonna move it over here by this fence that on this side of the telephone pole that gets much more light, and we'll do better. And I might be able to get some brassicas in this one too. So that is the project for today, y'all. Disassemble, dig out, move it over there. Let's see what's up. Well, y'all, here we go. I figure Andrew will be out here pretty soon. So that gives me a head start. And I mean, hurricane, yeah. These are not hurricane proof. And that's metal inside. Snapped. Wow. That bad boy. I like that. Nope. It's broke right there. I want to tell you. Still usable though. Don't get it twisted. All right. We're not saving none of this. Look at that. Yeah, that slice of cake. So that's how deep my bed was. Man, it looks, that's nice. Yeah. And to consider that bottom part, that was all organic matter. I did fuel filter thing. I filled it up with banana stems, everything. So the moral of this project is, and lesson, when designing your garden and placing your beds and all that, choose wisely. Take your time, pay attention to your sun, your environment, where it comes up, east, west, the winter, summer, rotation, all that. It matters. It seemed like a good place, but it's not a good spot. But that one catches sun over there, summer and winter. So yeah, I'll deal with that. But yeah, lesson learned. Don't make the same mistake I did. You'll be out here working. I'm still out working that 18-year-old, y'all. 57, going strong. Y'all see, I got my engineer out here. This is my architect slash engineer slash muscle slash, yeah. See, now you just pull that one on that end back once you get these all straight. You just line that up with this. So like that last one going that way, the fourth one. See, you can just pull that one back now. Straighten it out with these. And you're home free. Alright, y'all. I know normally I say I'm gonna come out here and do 2 things, but not today. We're gonna do 1 thing, and that was this bed. Oh man. Yeah. So I'm done for the day. My voice is dry. Damn. But I got it done. I'll show you. So that's that, y'all. My pepper rookie is done. Done, I tell you. So, man, I'm Pepper Rookie. I'm out. I'll catch y'all the next one.